Hey there, are you looking to add a splash of color to your garden? Well, today I'm going to show you how to grow these stunning pincushion flowers from seed. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Pincushion flowers, also known as Scabiosa, are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any garden. And the best part, they attract bees and butterflies, making your garden a lively and vibrant space. Let's get started. First, you'll need a packet of pincushion flower seeds. You can find these at your local garden center or online. Next, we'll need a seed tray and some good quality potting soil. Fill your seed tray with soil, but don't pack it down too much. We want it nice and fluffy for those seeds. Now, sprinkle the seeds evenly across the surface of the soil. Don't worry if it looks a bit crowded. We'll thin them out later. Cover the seeds with a light layer of soil, just enough to hide them. Pincushion flower seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. Give the soil a gentle misting with water. You want it moist, but not soaking wet. Consistent moisture is key to helping these seeds sprout. Place your seed tray on a sunny windowsill or under grow lights. These seeds need plenty of light and warmth to germinate. In about 10 to 14 days, you should start seeing little green sprouts. Look at them grow! Once your seedlings are a few inches tall and have a couple of sets of true leaves, it's time to move them to their own pots.
Be careful with the roots and gently transplant each seedling into its own pot.
This gives them more space to grow and develop strong roots. Water them well and keep them in a sunny spot. As they grow bigger, you can move them outside, but make sure to harden them off first. This means gradually introducing them to outdoor conditions over a week or so. Once the risk of frost has passed, you can plant your pincushion flowers in the garden. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Space them about 12 inches apart to give them room to spread. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Pincushion flowers prefer slightly dry conditions once they're established. And there you have it. With a little patience and care, you'll have a garden full of these beautiful blooms. They make fantastic cut flowers too, so you can enjoy them indoors as well. Not only are they beautiful, but they also bring bees and butterflies to your garden, making it a haven for pollinators. I hope you enjoyed this guide on how to grow pincushion flowers from seed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, every garden starts with a single seed. Happy planting!